Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add Instagram to TikTok. What you need to do, first just go to TikTok app and then just go to your profile. After that click here, edit profile, and then just scroll down until you see here Instagram. Just click Instagram. Now just log in to your Instagram account. You can select either you can log in with your Facebook or just type your phone number or username or email and password and then click login. After that your Instagram will add to TikTok. This video is how to add Instagram to TikTok. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.